Did you get to spot the difference? Deepfake videos, if made by professionals, can pass off as legitimate videos. But if you pay close attention, you could spot the deepfake. Bringing to you a few pointers on how to spot one. The easiest deepfake giveaways are audio flaws, irregular shadows, and skin tone. Soft and blurred areas during movement. Notice the neck and forehead. These areas give away the hoax. Look at the lighting. Shadows and glare in the glasses are to be noticed. Deepfakes require a lot of effort, so the video is usually short. People tend to deepfake the face and not really invest a lot of time in the body movement. So that is another giveaway. In times where deepfake is not just used for entertainment, but to influence public opinion and cause harm to individuals, knowing how to spot one is important. Make informed decisions to keep your digital assets safe. Speak to experts in cybersecurity to understand better.